Hello friends, I welcome you all on my channel Asif's ASIF apostrophe S Asif's English and Personality Development. In a couple of months, it has got 13,000 subscribers and more than 550 videos. I welcome you all. Today the topic is very beautiful. The topic is how to develop an officer's personality. How to develop an officer's personality. We are going to discuss about leadership skills. Every person wants to become an officer. Every person wants to become a successful entrepreneur. But we forget one thing, that anything worthwhile, if you want to achieve, there is a price for that. We must know what is the price of that article. Being an officer is a dream, then you must know that why some people are leaders and a good many people are their followers. Leaders are few and followers are many. There is a saying I recall: every crown is for a head, but every head is not for a crown. Okay, every year some guys are selected in civil services. Every year some boys and girls become bank PO. Every year some boys and girls qualify NDA and CDS. Okay, so you need to know what is an officer's personality. If you develop your personality to that level, definitely you are going to have the hat of an officer. I'm going to tell something very, very worthwhile because I have also been an officer of the private sector. Whether you fly in America or you fly in India, the training is the same. Pilots don't ask which aircraft I have to fly. They know the rules and regulations. It is all about skill. The doctors of India are performing surgeries in Britain. The doctors of Russia are examining the patients in India. Leadership skills principles never change. An American officer and an Indian officer, you will find 90% of the personality is identical. They will resemble, their body language will resemble, their thought process will resemble, their way of talking will resemble, their hand gesture will resemble, the energy on the face and eyes will also resemble. Okay. One important point, firstly, I will discuss, then I will come to the main point. Just have 5 minutes patience. I promise you, I give you my word. If you give a couple of minutes to this video, definitely you are going to gain something worthwhile. We must understand that one factor doesn't decide our success or failure. One factor doesn't write your destiny. Please understand. By changing one factor, you are not going to gain anything. Success is the result of series of actions taken by the individual. It is not about one factor. I feel extremely bad when I see the YouTubers and influencers. You do just this one thing and you are going to become blah blah blah. They are cheating you, they are deceiving you. There you will have to have a holistic approach about your personality. There are several features. You will have to work one by one on everything. There is attitude, there is communication, there is knowledge, there is decision taking ability, there is communication. So many things are there. So many things are there. When we talk about the officer's personality, we will have to look at it from different angle. I'm going to touch one of the important factor in this segment, and I will be talking at length about this. When I pick up a topic, you know very well, it is not just one video. You will get a series of videos. Before I come to the main point, I would like to just share one information. I give online tuitions also. If you want to develop your communication skills, if you want to learn spoken English in an emphatic manner, please write down my WhatsApp number 933 50 77 458. I will repeat 933 50 77 458. You just WhatsApp me and you tell your requirement on Google Meet and through audio or video calls. I have the slots. There are group classes on Google Meet and there are personalized classes. So definitely you can develop your spoken English, your personality, your grammar and vocabulary. Okay. Let us once again resume our talk on the topic how to develop an officer's personality. See, the first factor which I think every person should work on, that is his speech. What you talk matters a lot. What you talk gives you a lot of happiness, at the same time a lot of tensions also. We must develop, we ought to develop a good command over our speech. What I am going to talk, whom I am going to talk, how much I am going to talk, and how I am going to talk. It is not just about the words. Communication skill is not about the words, and I'm not talking the ins and outs of the communication. I'm talking about basic common sense. You can see there are many fathers, every time they are in the preaching mode, every time, and their preachings, their sermons, their counseling will last for half an hour, 1 hour. Please remind one thing: over communication nullifies the effect of communication. If you over talk instead of being effective on the person, it is going to be counterproductive. The person may be very, very irritated with you. The moment you start preaching the person, he will block mentally, only he will nod his head. Please understand. Same way, the content which you are going to deliver, it requires a kind of processing. What kind of tone you have when you talk? Tone is very important. What kind of words you choose? Many persons, their intention is good with their children or with their subordinates, but they use derogatory words. They use negative tone. It is not going to help you. You can see an officer. Officers have a habit of thinking before speaking. If you practice this art, that whenever I speak, I will speak positively and I will speak according to the situation, and I will not unnecessarily prolong my talk. Definitely, when you face the interview, those features will be read by the interviewers. You know that for if you are being interviewed for a civil services, one gentleman sits who only and only observes you. He doesn't raise any question, he doesn't pose any question. He is there to analyze your personality, and when you are answering, they judge that what kind of control you have got over your speech. So, in this lecture, I would like to advise all my brothers and sisters that optimum, neither more nor less, and in a proper way. And whenever it is required, unnecessarily, please stop the habit of babbling, bickering, argumentative nature. Very, very negative. These people are being caught by the interviewers and they get negative marks. So I would like to conclude my talk here. I will be talking at length. The topic is how to develop an officer's personality. Please, once again, at last, if you liked my talk, if you think that yes, I was talking rational, reasonable, and logical, please share these videos. I will be extremely thankful to you. My channel name is Asif's English and Personality Development. ASIF apostrophe S. Asif's English and Personality Development. If you have not subscribed so far, please do subscribe it. You are going to get excellent material on my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you all. God bless you all. Thank you.